Hi guys, so today I just wanted to give you a quick review of Leeloo. Leeloo is a company that will help you get funded to trade the futures markets. So I am a trader. I've been trading for a few years now, and recently got into the futures market, which I really enjoy much more than the Forex market. They're a great company to deal with if you want to get funded. If you don't have the capital to trade, you have a good strategy, but you don't want to risk losing your own money, but still want to make money, I recommend them 100%. I've been dealing with them for the past few weeks now. Their customer service is excellent. I always get a response within a few hours whenever I ask them a question. So I can tell you that if you have any questions at all, they'll be there to respond to each question super quickly. So that's great to know. So what do? They can offer you. So first you need to pass an evaluation account. So they offer different evaluation accounts. As you can see here on the screen, you get the Leeloo Express, Aspire, Launch, Climb, Cruise, Burst, and the Explode and the Glide. So what are these accounts? These accounts will let you trade with different balance. As you can see, you have here $100,000, $25,000, $50,000, and whichever one you pick, you have a profit target to hit. In For this one, let's say this one is giving you 14 calendar days, which is 10 trading days. So the trading days are Monday, Friday. So 14 days will give you 10 days. So that means that if you pick this account, you will have to trade from day one and pretty much every day until that expires. So you have 14 days, calendar days, 10 trading days. So it's only $77 and you will be able to trade an account of $100,000 and you just need to hit $6,000 profit target. So if you have a good strategy, you're already a trader and you know what you're doing, it's totally doable. So I really recommend checking them out. You can see that there's a trailing drawdown though. So really watch out for this one. If you don't know what it is, I invite you to go to the FAQs and check what is a trailing drawdown. So they have one account with a static drawdown. So a static drawdown doesn't move. So some people might think it's a little bit easier to trade with a static drawdown. So here it is. That's the account. So once you pass the evaluation account, so these accounts here, so this one gives you 10 trading days to pass. And it's not a membership, it's going to expire after 14 days. So pretty much you pay one time $77, pass your profit target, get you to your profit target, and you pass, right? And that's it, no membership. Those ones though, they're memberships. So they give you 10 trading days to pass the evaluation accounts. So you have to pass within 10, you can pass in minimum 10 trading days, but you can take as much as you want, as many days as you want to pass them to get to your profit target here. But be careful because it's a membership. So if you do not pass within the first month, you'll have to pay $150 to renew your membership and hit your target, right? So just be careful if you don't want to pay a membership for nothing. I mean, just watch out for this. Then what did I want to say about them? Right now they have some good offers, Christmas sales. So today you can get a 50% off the launch account, evaluation account. So the launch is right here. So you can trade with a $50,000 account and you'll get 50% off this amount. So that can be super interesting. So I put the link down below. Just click the link down below if you want to join them. Go check them out. If you have any question, I can help you out. just let me know. And what did I want to add? They're offering you a Ninja Trader license. So that's pretty interesting because it could be costly if you have to pay for a license yourself. So here, if you get an evaluation account, they do offer a license for free. What did I want to say? Once you pass the evaluation account, you are funded and you can pick between two different funded accounts. And once you're funded, you can get payouts. So it's super interesting to get to that stage. So go check them out. And if you have any questions, if you want to comment below, please do so. And that's it for today. Bye, guys.